What's up, guys? Today we'll be making car magnets. Even though we have a couple of videos about them, this time the reason I'm gonna make a video is that the ones that we'll be making today don't have any background. They're just plain. The idea is that we're gonna add the background and then we'll add the letters on top. I'll show you in a minute what I mean by that. But here's the design that I got. All right, so basically it's gonna be 3 different layers. This is what we gotta do. We gotta add the background manually, like that. And then we'll add the white and the black letters. So in the end, it's supposed to look like that. Okay, and up here we got the sheet, the magnetic sheet. And this is what I mean by no background. Do you see the 2 sides are the same color? And we got all the vinyls that we'll be using. All right, in the meantime, we'll go ahead and cut the magnetic sheet. Okay, we got all of our magnets and we make sure that we got the right side. We got to put the vinyl, the red vinyl, and we'll use water, plenty of water. But first we got to cut, make sure that is the same size. At first it's a little complicated, but you get used to it. This is not the first time we do it, so we have an idea. Again, you can do it however it's easier for you. This is what we prefer doing it, so you don't have to do it like us, but just wanted to give you an idea. We're gonna clean the surface or the side where the vinyl is gonna go. Is it that side or that? Okay. So we gotta flip it and make sure we clean this side. And when you're cutting the background, make sure that it's bigger than the magnet itself, because you wanna have plenty of room. And then in the end, you're gonna have to cut the edges, just like we'll show you in a second. All right, I'm gonna wipe this off. I haven't wiped it off. Unless you were outside or if it was cold, then it would be a different story. But since we're inside, we can use as much water as we want. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a lot of water. Just pretend you're doing an installation, like you're just installing a decal, a huge sticker. Okay, now just be careful with that. Just do that. And all the water will come out. So again, you don't have to be scared of using a lot of water. Okay, now the next step will be after it's dried, now we're gonna trim around the edges right here. I don't know if you can see it here, but it has do you see that? And up here has extra vinyl too, you see? Now we gotta trim it. Yeah, if you do it like this, it's better because you can see where the extra vinyl is and we can just cut it. And again, they don't have to be perfect. It's not like the customer is gonna measure it. So, but just try to make sure that they're the right size. But again, they don't have to be 100%. Okay, now you gotta do that to all the sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, but I'll show you the end result. And show you. See? Now it has the red background. Make sure you do it on the right side. Yep. Always put a metal or something, like in this case, the widder. That's when you know that you're doing the right side, because we have done it the wrong side, and you can only imagine how stressful that was. Okay, we got the first color. Now we're gonna add the second one on top. Like that. And always use the alignments. See, that easy. Usually you can pull it off within a few seconds or minutes, but if you see the second layer is coming off, just wait a few more minutes and it should be fine. See, we use plenty of water, and it's only been like about a minute that we stopped squeezing it, and it seems to be working good. And there it is, there's the magnet. We just gotta cut the edges. Another thing, I don't know if we mentioned before, you gotta buy yourself a cutter, or what they call edge cutter, whatever it's called, but it will make this round, so that way when the customer applies the magnet on the car, the wind won't penetrate if it's rounded. So we recommend you invest on that. All right. So, yep. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about other products that you can add to your business. And don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed this video. See you guys until the next time. Bye.